Get clear, glowing, spotless skin with these herbal facial masks. Who doesn't want to be beautiful and stay that way? Just as expected. None. Well, sure, real beauty resides within the person. However, don't you get tired of people saying that physical beauty is only skin deep? What do they want? An adorable pancreas? While inner beauty should always be cultivated, there's no reason for us to neglect the outer aspects of our body. If you're worried about applying chemicals on your skin, then stop. There are many natural health stores today that sell herbal beauty products that are chemical-free and side effect-free. And if you don't want to buy any of these, you can make your own. Below are some herbal beauty tips you can use for a healthier, more physically beautiful you. Herbal beauty masks are beneficial for your skin. They help remove dead skin and unclog pores. By doing this, herbal beauty masks aid in preventing premature lines and wrinkles. In fact, they're so good, they're one of the top attractions of many beauty shops around the world. But why waste good money on herbal beauty masks when you can make your own right out of your refrigerator? That's right. You can create your herbal beauty masks by using the things you find in your refrigerator. After all, what are herbal beauty masks made of but fruits and vegetables? Cucumber and avocado. Cucumber is widely accepted as an herbal beauty enhancer. This fruity vegetable is used as a base in many facial toners, creams, and what have you. Another fruit that is known to improve the skin is avocado. If you have these two fruits in your refrigerator, then you can start mixing your own herbal beauty mask. Simply mix chopped cucumber 1/2 cup, chopped avocado 1/2 cup, 1 egg white, and powdered milk 2 tablespoons in a blender until they form a smooth paste-like consistency. Apply this herbal beauty mask immediately or place it inside your refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Use circular upward motions with your hands when you apply. Leave it for 30 minutes or wait until dry. Remove the mask by simply rinsing your face with warm water, followed by cold water. Then finally, pat your face and neck dry. Lemon egg white mask. Another great formula for an herbal beauty mask is juice of half a lemon mixed with 1 egg white. Beat these two ingredients together for 3 full minutes, and then apply directly to your face, avoiding the eyes. After 30 minutes, rinse your face with warm water. Finally, apply a moisturizer or cream.